Welcome back to our channel. I know I haven't shared with you guys a recipe, but today I'm going to show you how to make green chili verde. So I'm going to walk you through it. We're going to have 9 chiles serranos. We're going to have 14 tomatillos. These are the little tomatoes, the little green ones. We're going to wash them up really good. We're going to unwrap them. 5 garlics and 1 onion. When they're all washed, we're going to go ahead and put them into the boil. I'm going to show you step by step what else you add to the green chili. And we're going to go ahead and blend it up and add our chops to it. Stay with us. We just transferred it. We're going to go ahead and add water up to the middle. We're going to go ahead and blend it. We just add it to the blender. We're going to add the same water we cooked the chilies with. We're going to add it halfway. And we're going to add some garlic salt and 1 cuito de pollo. You're going to have to hold this so I can strain it, because we're going to use the same water that we use in the chili. Okay, Daddy. Okay. Thank you. We're going to go halfway. We're going to go ahead and start to blend. Make sure you guys strain it. We're going to start to blend it. Saute the other half of onion, and we're going to add it to the green chili and the pork chops. Here are the pork chops. We're going to go ahead and add the green chili and the roasted onions. Just added the white onions, and now we're going to add the green chili. We're going to go ahead and put it on medium heat. We're going to go ahead and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, and we're going to serve it.